In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch rows and columns in Excel. This is a really handy skill when you realize partway through a project that your data would make more sense turned on its side. Maybe your headings are running across the top as columns, but you'd rather see them listed down the side as rows. Or maybe a teammate sent you a sheet that's organized in a way that just doesn't work for your report. Instead of retyping everything, Excel has a built-in tool that can flip the layout for you in a couple of clicks. First, open your Excel file and find the range of data you want to switch. This might be a small table or a large block of information. Click and drag to highlight the entire range, including any headers you want to keep. It's important to select everything you want to move, because Excel will flip only what you highlight. Next, copy that selection. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows, or Command+C on a Mac. You'll see a moving dashed line appear around your selection, which means it's ready to be pasted somewhere else. Now, decide where you want your transposed data to go. Click on a blank cell that will become the top left corner of the new layout. Make sure you leave enough empty space, because Excel will fill down and across from that starting point, and you don't want to overwrite anything important. Once you've chosen the destination cell, right-click it to open the context menu. Instead of using the regular paste option, look for the Paste Special menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Transpose. Click Transpose, and Excel will instantly flip your copied data. Rows become columns, and columns become rows. Take a moment to look over the result. Check that your headers are where you expect them to be, and that the values line up correctly. If something doesn't look right, you can always press Ctrl+C or Command+C to undo and try again, maybe adjusting your original selection or choosing a different starting cell. One quick tip: the transposed version isn't linked to the original. If you change the original data later, the flipped version will not update automatically. So use this method when you're happy with the data as it is, or when you're creating a one-off layout for reporting or presentation. And that's all there is to it. Select, copy, choose a new location, and use Paste Special with Transpose to switch rows and columns in Excel.